Have you ever wished JavaScript was just a bit more organized and safer? Well, that's exactly TypeScript shines. In this video, I will give you a complete overview of TypeScript, what it is, why it is powerful, and how it is perfectly fit into modern web development. What is TypeScript? TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript developed by Microsoft. That means all valid JavaScript is also valid TypeScript. But TypeScript adds extra features, mainly type safety. It compiled down to JavaScript so that you can run it any browser or JavaScript environment. Why use TypeScript? Firstly, type safety. It catches errors at compile time rather than runtime. Number 2, better tooling. Autocomplete, refactoring, IntelliSense work beautifully in editors like VS Code. Number 3, scalability. It makes large code bases easier to manage and maintain. Number 3, great with frameworks. It works with React, Angular, Node.js and more. Core features. Here are some of the core features that makes TypeScript powerful. Static type. You can define the types of variable, parameter, functions, return type, etc. Inheritance and types. Used to define custom data shapes. Enums. For fixed set of values. Type interference. TypeScript can guess the type even if you don't write it. Generics. Write reusable and type-safe code. Access modifiers and classes. Supports OOPs with public, private, protected, read-only, etc. How to set up TypeScript? Open your terminal and write npm install -g TypeScript. And to compile the file, write tsc yourfile.ts. You can also use TypeScript with bundlers like Webpack, Byte, or React or Next project. TypeScript versus JavaScript. Think of TypeScript as JavaScript with superpowers. It makes your code more predictable, robust, and easier to debug. That's why most large-scale projects from startup to big tech use TypeScript. When should you learn TypeScript? If you already know JavaScript, learning TypeScript is easy. It will level up your coding skill and make you a better developer. So that's your TypeScript overview. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.